Hey, what's up mga ka-positive? This is a rough experience when you encounter stormy seas. Kailangan nakalashing, nakasecure lahat ng movable objects inside your cabin. And of course, sa working place nyo na rin. To avoid any damage during a rough sea condition like this. Kaya sa bawat galaw ng barko, kailangan kapit ka lang maigi. Tapos inom agad ng Biogesic at syempre takbo na rin ng mabilis papuntang CR. Dahil for sure, ibubuga mo lahat ng nakain mo. But once you overcome this kind of scenario, magiging positive na sa'yo ang bawat gupit ng alon. And syempre, hindi naman palagi ganito ang karagatan, di ba? So para sa mga aspiring seamen, expectations is always different from reality. Kaya when you come on board, be ready to taste this kind of experience. And never forget to pray because that's the only tool you have for everyone's safety. So lagi nating tatandaan ang kasabihan, a smooth sea never made a skillful sailor. So until next time mga ka-positive, let's go!